Hello, it is freestyle. Okay, let me stop. This is my intro, I guess. I don't know for some sort of reason. We're playing Monkey Mischief. It's on App Lab. I haven't played it in a while, but we're playing the horror mode right now. And this thing is scary. There's unicorns in here, guys.
No, just run in general.
Wait, no, I'm scared. I can't get it again. Bro. If I do a backflip right now, okay, guys. You know what? Let me stop doing the backflip. Alright, guys. Let's go this way. Follow me, Ken. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Go! Get in! Why is he not getting in? Oh my god.
You good?
Ah! I just hit my bed. I feel good. Black. Black, go back and then run and jump in. No, go more back. Like this. Look at. Like jump in. No, like go this way and then there you go, take it. Like that, and then you have to like. For some reason, there's a barrier. I don't know what. Oh my god!
I died as well.
Oh What's up, Yuzo?
I went into this corner.
Purple,
and
why did the monster look like you?
I was in this corner and I was like, Blue, run away, and I didn't die. But then
why does the monster look like you?
I need help. Okay, grab on.
Dude,
alright, guys.
so
Wait,
scary.
let me grab on, bro.
I went up and down the tunnels. This guy's trapping me. Help.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to get on.
Anybody help me?
Guys, I think that's the monster. Oh, wait, no, that's just Purple.
There too.
It's you.
Look down and let go of me whenever you see the blue light.
Let go of me, bro. Oh, never mind.
Bro, let me get in, bro. Let me get in. Don't. Let me get in. Don't.
Okay. He's not killing us. Look up. Never mind.
So Black, if you get in here, you're trapped in here forever, and the monster's
Here's the thing.
right there.
You have to keep your light on.
You have to stay still, bro. I'll hold on to you.
Hey!
Go!
Oh, that actually worked.
I'm your man.
Oh my god.
Every single way.
Look down,
you
look
go.
down.
No, you're okay.
Dude, you
No,
know
put my head.
If you're behind these barriers, you're okay. No,
It actually worked. Black, I bet you 50 bucks you won't go. Black, I bet you 50 bucks you won't run over there. I bet you 50 bucks you won't run all the way over there.
Grab on me.
Oh my god.
Grab on me.
Hey, Black, I bet you 50 bucks you won't run all the way over there to the generator. That's pretty crazy. Oh. Oh, you're back. Oh, what are these doors? There's doors right here.
Get tripping, bro.
No way, no way. Guys, look down when you see them. Just look down when you like see it.
Partner.
Guys, where are we going, guys? Because if we die, it's all Purple's fault.
No, guys, grab onto me. Remember,
Purple,
Blue.
it's your fault if we
Blue, remember
die.
me?
Just letting you know.
Yeah.